Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy is releasing the second installment now of his Make America Healthy Again agenda. So this report focuses on children and is filled with policy proposals to fix what Kennedy calls the sickest generation in American history. NBC's Ryan Nobles reports.
This morning, new recommendations for children's health care from President Trump's polarizing health secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
We're the sickest country in the world.
Kennedy out with a new report discussing key children's health issues, from vaccines to nutrition to screen time for kids, but without clear policy changes.
I think it's great that it emphasized the importance of diet and some of the things that we just don't count, like environmental chemicals. The problem is that there wasn't a lot of substance on exactly how they were going to tackle these third rail issues that are huge.
Kennedy wants to release new dietary guidelines designed to encourage kids to eat healthier and limit the intake of ultra-processed foods and chemical dyes by pushing for bans and taking steps to educate the public more about where they exist. He also wants to get kids more active through education campaigns like the presidential fitness test. The report also repeating Kennedy's critique of fluoride in drinking water. Experts have long said that fluoride is a public health benefit. Kennedy, a vaccine skeptic, is already pushing to revamp how Americans get vaccines. Now the report saying the government will develop policies, quote, ensuring America has the best childhood vaccine schedule and promoting, quote, scientific and medical freedom.
He did hint in the report about vaccine schedule revisions, or at least medical freedom being emphasized, but did not get into any details.
Democrats in Washington, along with some Republicans, have raised concerns about Kennedy's vaccine agenda.
Bottom line, we need an HHS secretary who believes in science, not conspiracy theories.
While the secretary is also in the midst of a shakeup at the Centers for Disease Control, the Senate now planning to hold a hearing next week with Susan Menares, the former director of the CDC who Kennedy fired, and several of her deputies who quit in protest after her removal.